guys, I'm going to show you how to make a Kiwi meat explosion John Rock style, and it's a dish that the Americans made that I've adopted and put a twist of my own in it. And for that you're going to need some streaky bacon, 1 to 2 kgs of pork mince, beef mince, or any other type of mince you want to use, some spinach or any other sort of green leaf type vegetable such as silver beet, some mixed vegetables, which is both optional, chili, chives, cayenne pepper are my seasoning of choice, but again you can use any seasonings you want, some salt, Tabasco sauce, and 1 medium chopped onion. Now I've already thrown it in there with the vegetables. You're probably going to go portion size 1 cup, about 2 portions, 1 to 2 kgs of pork mince that I've used, and you're probably going to need a whole pack of streaky bacon. Now you're going to take the mince, dump it in a bowl, dump the mixed vegetables, the seasonings, Tabasco sauce, a bit of cheese, and pork mince. Again, cheese is also optional. Now we're going to put all this together and we're going to make a meatloaf type explosion